How to fix Discord's audio problem? Well, the first thing you can do is just click on user setting after opening your Discord, and over here just click on the option voice in video. From here you can just click on voice, and over here where it says input device, you want to choose whichever Bluetooth device you have connected to your PC, and on output as well, if you have a Bluetooth speaker, you want to select that. After you do that, it should work flawlessly. And if it still doesn't work, what could have happened is maybe that Bluetooth device is not properly connected to your PC. In that case, you can just go on your search, and over here just search for control panel and click on the option control panel. From inside here, what you can do is hardware and sound. From here you can click on devices and printer, and over here it's going to show you your Bluetooth device connected as well. So right now I don't have any Bluetooth device connected, that's why nothing is showing up, but in your case if you have, it's going to show up over here. From here you can check if it is properly connected or not. As you guys can see, we are under Bluetooth and devices, okay, and it should probably be fixed from here. You can also sometimes just disconnect and reconnect your Bluetooth device, and it usually fixes that as well. So these are the things you can do to fix this problem. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.